I'm not sure today. Probably you're going to use this one, not right? I don't know what's the name for this one. But anyway. Yeah. So let's go inside. Sorry, it's very messy, you know, in my backyard, you know. Sorry about it. So my wife put this one just present. Don't use it. So you can check out. I think actually if I turn on the garbage disposer, the water goes down, but this side goes up. So last night it can get worse. So both kind of like both sink filled with water. Okay. So later early this morning when we come back, check out to find this side, at the bottom a little bit of dripping, but this side totally fine, just in case. But anyway, so probably we have to fill some water. Yeah. So you want to get some water, use a bucket and fill this sink, or just sorry, let me a little bit, maybe give you another. Let me dump this one.
Don't worry, just let it run.
Okay, let it run. Okay. Yeah.
There it comes.
Oh, you can see the water come out.
Yeah, so we need to take the part outside, the cap off outside.
So you want to just go directly, use the outside?
Directly from the outside.
Okay. I feel a little bit excited. Actually started from last night, we didn't cook.
Okay.
Hmm? Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Actually, how long for this one?
This one's 75.
75 feet.
Huh? Yeah, I had heard the air.
Where's your bathroom on the other side? Where's the bathroom? The nearest bathroom, all the way on the other side?
Yeah, bathroom on the other side. I'm so curious. How do you know when you should stop your lead
When
one?
it goes down. You see how the water was right there?
Uh-huh.
Once it goes down, you know that's where the problem is.
Oh.
So you go back and forth with the snake right there.
I didn't pay attention to water.
Yeah.
Actually,
The
I
water
just
went down. Right there is the
I
problem.
see. Actually, I didn't catch the point. Maybe later I can replay to see.
You see what's
Oh,
going
when you go down, if the water dramatically like a wash away,
Yeah.
that means
That's you
the
hit
clog.
plug.
You already.
Yeah, you hit
Oh
the
my
plug.
god.
Yep. Yep.
So later, I think the guy is going to put the cap, recap it.
Yeah, that's what
Then
he's doing
you
right
have to, just run the water for a long
That's what I'm
time.
doing right now.
Oh,
That's what
yeah.
I've been doing.
Oh, I
I've been
see.
running it for a long time. It's been running for, I don't know, maybe 6-7 minutes. So everything's good.
I
If
see.
it's still clogged, it'll come back. So it
Oh,
never came back. So
I
it's
see.
good.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
Already put it back.
So, oh. Okay.
Okay, sounds
Not too
good.
tight,
Yeah,
so-
yeah, I know.
Yeah, you see how hard I don't want to break the pipe going in, you know. So you
Yeah,
don't
that's
want it
true,
Too
yeah.
tight.
Okay, I'll wait for you in the kitchen.
All right, no problem.
Mm-hmm.
Already ran it.
Ready? You said
Already ran the water already.
already? I had thought you had to run long time, like 10 minutes.
When he was outside, I was over here running it.
Oh, I
Once
didn't
see
know
the-
that
once-
one.
Once I see the water go down,
Uh-huh.
then I come inside and I turn the water on.
Okay. So, hey, can I do a test? Can I do a test? I pour some water on this side, then
ahead.
to
No
see
problem.
use the garbage, the disposal to whether
See if it
come
comes
out.
out.
Okay, let me check. Because this usually we find the problem is kind of like this way. Hold on 1 second.
It's a good drain.
Amazing, man. That's your job. Actually, I cannot do it. I cannot do it. Nice, fantastic.